Happy Monday. It's gonna be a wet week. Got a Category 4 hurricane in the Gulf right now. Or at least that's what the loader guy said. We got a crap ton of extrusion here. I'm hoping I can pick it up. So wet. Nope. Come on. I hope this don't. They say about 130 for the box.
How much you weigh?
130. That one's going to be a lot heavier because you got no the weight one for the box. That weighed 1,500, so take off 130 for the cardboard and the wood.
So that one weigh 800?
1,532.
1532.
But I'm saying the box and the woods.
Okay.
130. They were right here. Hey Devin, when you're done with those, when you're done with those, can you bring them up here to me? All right, and then I'll need your ID. Let's get that off the scale first. Let me get this off. This is going to be interesting. A lot of extruded. We're gonna have to, this is gonna be a mess because we're gonna have to get this into one of my bins.
I gotta go to my house, get my ID, man.
Okay, yeah.
Unless I could make it check.
Right. Scrapping a canoe, and no, I'm not going to keep it. I would say she's probably seen better days, like Radisson, Ontario, Canada. Dean, does it leak?
I don't know. I've never had it water, man.
I mean, cause this is I don't know about this.
Yeah, I
I don't know about that.
Pretty flimsy.
Pretty flimsy. Hold on. Bike and weed eater.
Yeah, I got
Let me get the bike.
I got another one over
The
there.
weed eater. Wait.
Oh, yeah.
Is the Husqvarna going?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah. That one, I guess, it runs. I don't know.
It runs?
I guess it's not. It's so I don't know how good. So how that is.
What I'm most worried about here is that pile blowing all over the place. Yeah, right there. With the door. It's a nice attachment if you had the right blower.
That other Husqvarna, I think all the attachments to that Husqvarna, that's them.
I don't want them.
Some aluminum here,
Yeah?
and this is stuff they used to use in auto body and paint and lead.
Lead, right?
Lead and tin, I think. So it might be lead and tin.
$130 on the money, wow. Guys back with the extrusion. So $550.
550?
Yep, each one. Yeah, yeah. What do you think? 200 pounds for the weight? A lot of extrusion. Just gonna load it right on the truck. Especially that one needs to get out because of the cardboard. Like, I'm gonna put a band around that. Too short? It's too short, right? The other one?
Thank you, bro.
Yep. You got copper? You have any copper?
Nah, I brought it yesterday.
Where?
Saturday.
Where? Over there?
Right there.
How much?
It's the same, right?
How much? No, we're different.
380.
That's a good price, yeah. How much? How many pounds?
I think it was 1,600.
$1,600 or pounds?
200 pounds.
Oh, so that was like $5,000. That was like $5,000.
555.
5,500 in copper. That'd be nice. I gotta get straightened out. How you doing? Huh? Another day. do 130. What's that? $1,425. Huh? Okay. Yeah. I'm not back. I'm not back in the pressure. I am. But I'm recording. Yeah, like making the bales. Yeah, it's gonna be bad. It's a Cat 5 right now. It's 160 miles an hour. Yeah. Yeah. Coming our way. Alright, man. Alright, bye. two or three more bales here. Then hopefully he goes to our tin pile, to the shred pile. just, after this, you go to the free pile? On the inside pile? Yeah, I was just saying to them that like, that pile's loose. We get 100-mile-an-hour winds from here. That's, yeah, yeah. Got our next victim, Nelson. Beep beep.
Don't hit it again.
Hey, did you go back there? Did you cash out?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll put them all down there.
Something like that.
We'll say.
I got this. I got that motor.
How heavy is that motor?
Huh?
Can me and you pick it up?
Between both of them, yeah.
Yeah. One, two, three. Oh, shit.
Shit, you let me do all the force. What the fuck? Watch out with your fingers.
I know. What? What? What about it? $46. 46 and 6. 50 sealed units. I expect a busy next couple of days. Just the one?
No. Say 250 for longer.
No, half that. And that's 125.
Thank you.
Jacob, hold on.
What?
Well, are you trying to pick it straight up?
Yes.
Okay. Because I was just going to hook it and then go through this.
Because there's a hook here.
Hold it. It might hold. It might hold. At least if we can get it. No, I'm not.
Oh, you're gonna go over here? Normally that's where we go.
Yeah. But if you don't know if it's drained or not, I would rather it spill in here.
I don't. I just had them sitting in the bay. And they didn't remember either, so I wasn't gonna wait another 45 minutes for them to get back to it. It's gonna hold perfect. Oh yeah, you gotta take it off my hand. Hey, your motor's at 0?
Yep.
How much did you say it was?
What?
There, right here.
320. How much next door? Hey, how much next door?
330 or 340. But Forsyth is 425.
What? There's no way.
I just called them. On my account, it's 425. They said for everybody normally is 390.
Copper's at 455, so.
Who?
Say copper's at 455 on the stock market, so.
He said he's going to just do it here. He doesn't want to go.
I mean, I could tell you the weight and then you could go next door and get 20 cents extra. I could let you know how much it weighs because the bucket weighs 2 pounds. So anything that they, if all they do is scan your ID, so that's 20 pounds. So it'd be $8 more next door.
Just dump it.
Okay. Oh, you got a good battery. You got that blue top.
He said you could have this little one.
That one? Is that all the motors?
Let me look. Yeah. No. I have this motor.
You want to keep that? Sealed unit.
You have that motor.
Wait, no. I gotta reset it.
It was at 95.
And I was at 93.
Okay, I'll say it was at 93 too.
That's a nice chair.
Alright, let's do 30 and listen. Whenever you're ready.
It's gonna be so busy here the next 2 days or a day and a half.
Yeah, you can take that.
You gonna die?
Yeah.
Don't die on me here. Well, at least she's here to give you mouth to mouth, so, you know. We'll just sit here and pound on your chest, just boom, boom,
How
boom.
much is this a pound when I get the tire off?
It's like 46. That's worth taking off, but something like that, no. That's worth it because that's gonna weigh a lot more.
Yeah, and
'Cause
my
the chrome-
tire guy will take it off for free because he wants the tires.
Because the chrome weighs up more for some reason.
I mean, but how much is it a pound?
46.
Okay.
It's less than rims. I haven't done it yet.
Okay, I'm gonna do the extrusion next. Right now I'm looking for light.
Anything that hits the ground is mine, right?
Yeah, I don't know if this one's silver. Can you scrape that?
That's aluminum.
Nah, we'll go back. Brass.
It's aluminum. All right, that's all the light.
Sterling.
Yeah. All right. I'm gonna clean up the mess after we get done with Jacob.
You're throwing in this one, I could have been started.
Yeah, that won't fit in the bale. All right. After that, cast aluminum, and then he's done.
Still doing extrusion.
Hold on. Getting every little piece, ain't you?
Yeah, I'm because whatever I don't get up here, I'm gonna push out there.
Okay.
Oh shit, what was this?
That'd be extrusion. If the screws are out, right?
No screws.
One 154. He hasn't shown. That motor, yep. Let me make sure that's on 0. Yep. How close are you to the river?
Dude, we're fucked.
Don't mind the swearing. He said we're. You're fine. The river is going to rise.
Actually, we should be alright where we are. But right across the street, they weren't alright with Ian.
Ian dumped a lot of rain, though. Heavy.
Yeah. Here, kick outside, it's all stupid. I don't know, dude. I don't even know if we should stay there. I don't know.
What's on this?
I don't know. Something slimy. Slimy and brittle.
That can go as heavy. That can go. I'll let that go for light. Light. You gotta tell Roxanne to come out. Still? Hold on. Yep, go for it. Hey, there's gonna be a lot of scrap afterwards. There's gonna be a lot of aluminum.
Dude, do you have like a
I think that will charge.
a rag?
I think that will cause the price of aluminum to go down because there's gonna be so much. You gotta think.
It's gonna be crazy, bro.
You're
It's
at.
already a 5, right?
Yeah, it's 175.
Oh, it's up to
175. Yeah, that's what my girlfriend
Just
she
now?
sent me. Yeah.
Well, no, I went there and they had everything fucked up, so I got tired of waiting.
Yeah.
Now,
Some is clean, some isn't. So we gotta separate. You gotta watch for.
throw in there, clean or not?
Not. So we'll call that clean aluminum.
One with the grooves go in there.
No, the one if it's got screws.
Screws. Goes in.
Yeah, because extrusion's got to be clean if you want clean. Would you tear down one or did somebody?
No, they want me to come get it.
Oh, that's nice. Screws. We got to get some of that out. Yeah, you can't get that. I can't. Screws.
Long piece there.
Yeah. That one we're going to put in this bin. That's too many screws. Watch your head. No. Ask the boys. I don't know what they did with them.
Anything with this long one?
No, that one can go over there. One's fine. They all have screws. They just about all have screws. That one's surprisingly clean. Not yet. Not yet, no. Knock the door. Light. Got a crap load of extrusion in today, man. Yep. Doors. Radiators. crutches. Yep. How was the weekend store?
Nothing bad happened.
Nothing bad? Brass, but you got to break the glass. Yeah. That's all the light. Oh, one more crutch. Oh, yep. Horseshoes. Who wants to play horseshoes? I think that's about it. $208 angle. It's been busy today. Like, I am so surprised. Well, maybe I shouldn't be surprised. Got a Cat 5 Hurricane growing right now. These are junk, ma'am.
Junk?
Junk.
Going.
Basura.
Some important pieces right there.
Important.
That might be it.
That might be the difference between a pound.
Might be what did it. Some more brass.
As I get nailed in the face. So the tripod got broken. Where are you going? Don't be too long.
What?
Don't be too long.
This whole thing is brass, but that one isn't.
But you gotta take this apart.
But it's not, it's all brass.
There's stuff inside here.
Ah, shit.
Ah, shit. We still buy it.
But how much cheaper?
Half.
Half of it?
Well, I mean, if they gotta pay me to take it apart and clean it, you know.
I don't even know how to get that off.
You gotta put a big wrench on that. We don't take those.
I don't know, maybe you got Milwaukee.
We don't take them. I've got.
I'm just going to prison, so I got all this stuff I'm selling.
I've got. No.
Oh, shit,
Ryobi, Ryobi, and what's? I can't remember. Rigid.
These things that
Not that one.
Not that one?
Not that one. Because you took over half of it away. But that one can go.
Robin?
So you,
I
you
see what
took-
I see what
yeah.
I didn't know it. He was trying to take it out and bring it with like just the copper, but it's hard. I can't do it.
You got to beat it apart.
Where'd it go?
In there. That same one. Nope. Yep. Thank you. I'm sure. These are the ones you should be cleaning, because that's easy. You saw it off and they pull it out.
Whatever. Yeah. Is it really that much of a difference? I feel like I'm wasting time when I keep looking for more scraps or like getting other shit ready.
Yes, you're correct. Let me see it. It's brass. Yeah, there's some names in there.
Sticker.
Yeah. Oh no, there's some. I think there's a older one in there. I'm going to. I want
That was like extra shiny copper.
to. What? Yeah, number 1.
But it's like extra shiny. Oh.
What?
This is badass. Why are they getting rid of it?
Let me see this. Let me see these 2 pieces. Him? What? That's aluminum.
Can you negative this off my thing? So I can buy it?
You could exchange a pound. Yeah.
I want it
Okay.
for my decorations.
I'll take a pound off.
It's pretty cool.
And then all that and that back one. Yeah.
I lost my voice from yelling at my roommates all the time.
Wrong bin, but
Are you serious? You said the last one.
yeah, the back one.
I did.
I said the back one. It's not on the scale.